LED wall packs provide significant energy savings and fast financial payback when replacing existing metal halide wall packs. Until now, you had to sacrifice aesthetics and performance in order to get the desired low initial cost. No more sacrifices with the all-new Lithonia Lighting WPX family of LED wall packs. The only solution that meets the customer's need for an aesthetically appealing form, photometric performance, and low initial cost, resulting in installations that you can be proud of for both their sustainability and their architecture. With 3 sizes and lumen packages of 1,500 to 9,000 lumens, the Lithonia Lighting WPX family is a site-wide wall-mounted solution, providing quality illumination for applications ranging from over-the-door lighting to perimeter lighting with mounting heights of up to 20 feet. The WPX wall packs deliver a wide photometric distribution that reduces the number of luminaires required while creating a well-illuminated, safe nighttime environment. The Lithonia Lighting WPX features cost-effective integral emergency egress battery options in WPX1 and WPX2. Available in standard and cold temperature versions, this important option is essential to meeting code requirements. Installing WPX wall packs is quick and easy. Just loosen 2 captive screws, revealing the back plate that installs onto any standard electrical junction box. Attach the WPX wall pack to the junction box. Make the connections inside the integral wiring compartment. Fasten the screws again, and your WPX is ready to use. And since the WPX footprints are larger than that of typical HID glass wall packs, they fully cover unsightly stains, resulting in a neat application without the need for additional patch and repair. No junction box? No problem. The WPX has 3 threaded conduit ports for surface wiring. The additional port on the back and integral wiring compartment allows for poke-through wiring where no junction box exists, resulting in easy installation on corrugated metal buildings. The WPX wall packs are the new standard in wall-mounted lighting, providing customers with the architectural form and photometric performance they want at the low initial cost they need. Elegant in design, emergency battery pack option, and price to sell, the Lithonia Lighting WPX LED wall packs are the ideal choice for contractors and distributors who want to provide the best value in lighting to their customers. Contact your Acuity Brands representative today for more information on the WPX and other innovative outdoor lighting solutions.